Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to center your text inside the table in your Word document. So currently, as you see, that some of these are in towards the right corner and some of these are towards the left corner. So I'm gonna put all of them in center, so that it is positioned in the center of this table. So in order to do this, select all, and just here you have to be on the home tab, and you can center it. So these centers, this puts all the text in center of this table. However, if you look closely, you can see that these cells are kind of bigger, and it's positioned at the top of the cell, right? So it's still not centered in the cell. It's centered in the table, but it's not centered in the middle of the cell, right? So, and the same goes for this row as well, and this row as well. So what do we do about it? So now let's go to table design. No, not table design, table layout. So not the layout, but table layout. And there's an option. Currently it's selected top center. That's why it's at the top, is you can see. So you will select align center, and now you see it's in the middle of the cell. All of them are in the middle of the cell. So this is how you put all your text at the center of the cell, and the text in the center of the table. So I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, please put your comment below that it solved your problem, or it was a helpful video, and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.